Are you interested in knowing how to lose weight naturally and fast? Does the thought of working out constantly stress you out? Weight loss doesn't have to be stressful or complicated. All you have to do is build simple habits to see the weight come off. Welcome back, and welcome if you're new here. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, new videos weekly. America is seriously overweight. Unfortunately, the rate of obesity has risen from 1 in 10 to 1 in 3. We are sadly seeing higher rates of obesity in our children. We must, as individuals and as a nation, make conscious decisions to change the way we produce food and the way we consume food. To better aid in solutions to a serious weight and health problem, here are 4 tips to lose weight naturally. Tip 1: Don't be hungry. When dieting to lose weight naturally and fast, one of the most common complaints is constantly feeling hungry. In order to help combat this, you might want to incorporate some of the following strategies into your dieting program. First of all, eat more high-quality protein foods frequently. An egg, a couple of walnuts or a handful of almonds can make a great snack that keeps hunger at bay. Don't wait until you are hungry. Schedule your snacks ahead of time. Another option is to fill up on high-fiber foods. Whole grains, brown rice, apples, pears, avocados, corn, popcorn, and beans are all a great source of fiber. Tip 2: Drink lots of water. Another method for feeling fuller when dieting is to drink plenty of water while dieting. Take your weight, divide by 2, and that's how many ounces of water you should be drinking every day. Water provides an important service to the body and is very necessary when it comes to delivering all the nutrients where they need to go. Water is your best friend to lose weight naturally and fast. It's also useful for flushing byproducts of weight loss out of the body. Additionally, water will help your skin retain its elasticity so that your skin can go more easily back into place once the serious weight loss begins. Tip 3: Portion control. We live in a world where portions are supersized so often that we no longer know what an appropriate portion looks like. Try to keep each meal between 400 to 600 calories. This is especially useful when eating out. Check the calorie amount for each item you order from the menu. You'll be quite surprised to see some of your favorite dishes pass over 1,000 calories. For the fastest weight loss, be sure to fill your plate half full of vegetables when you start the meal and never go back for seconds. Tip 4: 80% rule. Another helpful suggestion on how to lose weight naturally and fast is to use the 80% rule. When you feel 80% full, stop eating. It's that first inkling in the brain that says, "I'm not hungry anymore." If you can stop eating at that point, push away from the table, you will possibly find it a great way for how to lose weight naturally and fast. So, to summarize how to lose weight naturally and fast is: don't be hungry. Drink lots of water. Portion control. 80% rule. If you add these rules to the food changes you are already making, you should be well on your way to fast weight loss. Dieting for weight loss does not necessarily have to be a major sacrifice on your part, but in order to be successful, it will be a definite change in lifestyle, particularly if you need to lose more than a few pounds. The health implications of losing weight are well worth the required effort, and I wish you the best success on your journey to losing weight naturally and fast.